guys, it's me, Lewis. I'm in the car right now, and you're about to see what I'm about to unbox right now on the packaging. Okay. Sorry my screen isn't so bright like in my usual videos, and I'm in the car right now. It's just, I don't know. We've already got a bit of brightness right now. But let's open this up. And okay. Don't put the gun. Stuff we got. Yeah, thanks. So we got the giant stubby Godzilla, or Gojira, or Goji, or whatever. He's got big, beefy legs. Look at them beefy legs. Stomp, 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 stomp. He's got his white dorsal fins. He's very stubby. And if you look on the packaging, they even have the fire version. And this is the one I got. I got A, but I didn't get B. But that's okay, because I still have this. And I love it so much. Really a lot. Okay, well, that's Gojira right now. As you can see, this guy is very beefy. And he will be included in my other Godzilla videos. So, like, I'm going to be making a video of, like, Godzilla fighting Scar King, and he'll be involved. But this is my new Godzilla toy. What do you think? Beefy? Beefy enough for you? Yeah, he's one of a kind.